Hey guys, Nico here from Kika Marketing, and in this video, we're gonna continue where we left off, and that's optimizing the animated GIF we exported using Premiere. So just a quick refresher, in the last video, I showed you how to use the export tab here. I showed you the settings that you need to change in order to export the GIF, and the GIF we exported is this one, which looks really good as a GIF. You can still read the copy, and the animations are smooth and snappy, but you'll notice that the file size is like roughly 8 MB, so it's not really advisable to use GIF with this file size. I know internet nowadays are much more faster compared to years ago, but if you're gonna use and utilize animated GIFs in your projects, and speed is paramount in that website, you really need to optimize the GIF even further. So that's what I'm gonna show you in this video. So there are a couple of options we can use. We can I have paid apps that I'm using interchangeably, and there's also free versions or free alternatives that you can also use depending on how detailed you want to optimize your GIF, because there's a lot of settings in a GIF file that you can change, and you can mostly change it using paid apps. So here I have an app called GIF Brewery. So unfortunately, GIF Brewery is a Mac exclusive app. You won't find it on Windows. And this is an app I purchased and I'm using it personally. It basically creates GIF for you, and it also has tools to optimize the GIF. So there's a lot of settings here for GIF optimization, like frame count, frame delay, the looping, the loop delays, and the colors. There's a lot of stuff here, so you can fine tune the optimization passes that you want to apply to your animated GIF using these tools. So this is my favorite tool. Another option is called GIF Gun. So this is not an app, but a plugin. I'm using this when I'm using After Effects, and what it does is it adds a new panel on your app that allows you to batch process multiple GIFs all at the same time. So it's gonna render multiple. Let's say if you have many different footages in After Effects, for example, and you want to convert it into GIF, you can use this tool where it's gonna render the footage into a GIF, export it into a GIF, and optimize it all at the same time. So very helpful with multiple footages. So if you're not into paid apps or plugins, you can also use a free GIF optimization tool called EasyGIF. So if this is the first time you visit EasyGIF on your browser, just head on to custom on optimize on the optimize tab, and it will ask you to upload the GIF file you want to optimize. So in our case, I already uploaded the ones we rendered earlier, and EasyGIF will tell you the current size, which is 7.35 MB. And the best part in EasyGIF is this is really not for technical users, because you only have one setting, which is the compression level. So you just need to play around with the compression level and find the perfect balance between image quality and file size. So in my case, I tried the default setting of 35 and just hit on optimize GIF. Click on the optimize GIF and it'll show you the optimized version. So you'll notice the GIF here is a bit noisy and there's a bit of artifact. And you can still further increase the quality of this one by playing around with the compression level. So the only thing you need to do here is mostly trial and error runs, so that you can find that balance. And just for visualization purposes, in terms of file size, from 7.35 MB, when we run the optimizer via EasyGIF, the file size is down to 2.3. So it'll tell you how many percent the file size was reduced. So it's like 70% in file size reduction. So you really need just to play around with the settings. So that's all there is to it. So there's no really um, fine tuning like the ones found in GIF Brewery or GIF Gun. GIF Gun also has some fine tuning controls in your GIF optimization passes. And this one is just, like what I've mentioned, a non-technical approach in optimizing GIF. And it works. I mean, you just need to play around with the compression level. So once you're happy with the output, you can just hit save and it'll automatically download the GIF on your machine that you can use on your project or on your website. And yeah, I think that's all there is to it really. So I hope this video helped you on optimizing your GIF. And if you have any further questions, just feel free to reach out. And I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.